My name is Dave Krugman, and I'm a New York-based photographer and writer. Honda asked me to help them support an amazing New York nonprofit called Rocking the Boat.
Young people come here and experience things they would never ordinarily experience. They get to build real wooden boats from scratch. They use those boats to do a whole range of environmental science.
The whole point is to help them gain the skills necessary that they need in order to succeed in anything that they want to do.
We wanted to give them the opportunity to test the brand new Clarity plug-in hybrid.
How's it going? Welcome to Rocking the Boat.
For a nonprofit like Rocking the Boat, who needs every penny to go towards helping their kids, the Clarity can actually make a real impact. Look at all the benefits of an electric vehicle when using it around the city. And on longer trips, there's no anxiety about running out of battery because the gasoline engine will kick in, allowing the car to perform like a conventional hybrid vehicle.
The Honda Clarity plug-in hybrid has been great to have.
It's very smooth, it's high tech. There's plenty of room in the trunk. It's such a sweet ride. It was like fun to drive.
This car goes hand in hand with the mission of Rocking the Boat, which is to improve this community.
At the end of every semester, we have a big community celebration that's celebrating the kids, their work, their accomplishments.
Because you replace one of the bigger vans that you use with this more fuel-efficient vehicle, we've calculated that over a 3-year lease period, you would have saved about $10,000 on gas. And Honda really wanted to go the extra mile for you guys. We've decided to present you with a donation to that exact amount of money.